Welcome back to Wheeloscopy, the place where we explore the machines that move the world forward. If you love rugged bikes, real-world usability, and motorcycles built to go anywhere, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something special because Yamaha has officially unveiled the new next-generation 2026 Yamaha XT250. And this legendary dual-sport icon is back with smarter upgrades, tougher attitude, and the same unstoppable spirit that made it famous. The 2026 Yamaha XT250 continues to stay true to its roots, but this time Yamaha has refined it for modern riders. The design looks cleaner, sharper, and more purposeful. From the front, the classic round headlamp now feels more contemporary with improved lighting performance, while the body panels are slimmer and better integrated. The bike still carries that unmistakable XT DNA, with a tall stance, high ground clearance, and minimalist bodywork that screams adventure rather than show. Under the tank, the XT250 remains powered by a reliable 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, but for 2026, Yamaha has focused on smoother power delivery and improved efficiency. This engine is tuned for torque where it matters most, low to mid-range, making it perfect for trails, city streets, and backcountry roads. Throttle response feels more refined, vibration is reduced, and overall ride comfort has been noticeably improved. Whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising through daily traffic, the XT250 feels controlled and confident. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Yamaha XT250 is its versatility. The lightweight chassis makes it extremely easy to handle, especially for new riders or those who want a stress-free dual-sport experience. The suspension setup is designed to absorb rough terrain while still offering stability on paved roads. Long travel front forks and a sturdy rear shock ensure the bike can handle jumps, potholes, and uneven trails without losing balance. Yamaha has also made subtle updates to rider ergonomics. The seat height remains approachable, the handlebars are positioned for better control while standing, and the foot pegs offer improved grip. This means long rides are less tiring, and off-road sessions feel more natural. The bike feels like an extension of the rider rather than something you have to fight. Technology on the 2026 XT250 is kept simple but effective. Yamaha understands that this bike is about reliability and adventure, not unnecessary complexity. The instrument cluster is clearer and easier to read, giving you essential information at a glance. Braking performance has been improved with better feel and consistency, adding confidence whether you're stopping on loose gravel or wet asphalt. What really makes the 2026 Yamaha XT250 stand out is its durability. This is a motorcycle built to last. Strong frame construction, proven engine reliability, and low maintenance requirements make it a perfect choice for riders who want a dependable partner for years to come. It's the kind of bike you can ride hard, wash off, and ride again without worry. In a world full of heavy, tech-loaded adventure bikes, the XT250 reminds us why simple motorcycles still matter. It's affordable, approachable, and incredibly capable. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first adventure bike, or an experienced rider wanting a lightweight machine for pure fun, the 2026 Yamaha XT250 delivers exactly what it promises. That's all for today's official look at the new next-generation 2026 Yamaha XT250. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Wheeloscopy, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest bikes from around the world. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.